Hey guys, once again we are bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets which you definitely need. I request you to watch the full video. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. Keeping your home clean can be a hassle, especially when it comes to those hard-to-reach places. Introducing the Mini Cleaning Mop for Home, the perfect cleaning companion for all your household needs. This mop is designed with a super-absorbent sponge that easily picks up spills and messes. Its folding type ringing method makes it easy to squeeze out excess water, while its adjustable angle feature allows you to reach every nook and cranny in your home. Use it to clean your dining table after a messy meal, wipe down your bookshelf for kitchen counters, or even clean your car's interior. Say goodbye to traditional mops that are difficult to use and take forever to dry. This mini cleaning mop is easy to use, lightweight, and dries quickly, making it the perfect cleaning tool for any busy household. This innovative product is perfect for those who love their beverages hot and fresh all day long. One of the standout features of the USB electric heater heating pad mug is its intelligent constant temperature function. This means that your drink will stay at the perfect temperature for drinking without overheating or burning your tongue. The heating pad size is 120*165 mm squared, making it perfect for use with most standard size cups or mugs. The cup capacity is about 350 milliliters, which is suitable for a generous serving of your favorite hot beverage. The gravity sensor ensures that your mug stays in place and doesn't accidentally spill over. Additionally, this product is small and exquisite, so it's easy to carry around with you on the go. Finally, the USB electric heater heating pad mug is energy-saving, meaning that you can enjoy your hot drinks without worry about wasteful power usage. This feature makes it perfect for use at home, in the office, or even while traveling. Making dumplings has never been easier thanks to the Double Dumpling Maker. This innovative machine comes packed with features that make it highly efficient and easy to use. With just one press, the Double Dumpling Maker allows you to quickly and easily make perfectly shaped dumplings. And with its double speed feature, you can make twice as many dumplings in the same amount of time. When you're done making dumplings, simply lock the surface downside to prevent dust from getting inside. The non-slip bottom ensures that the Double Dumpling Maker stays firmly in place while you use it. Made from food-grade PP material, the Double Dumpling Maker is easy to clean and maintains its quality even after repeated use. And with its strong stainless steel button, you can be sure that the Double Dumpling Maker will last for years to come. Get your hands on the Double Dumpling Maker today and start making perfect dumplings every time. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen preparing your meals? Introducing the Multifunctional Electric Vegetable Cutter Slicer. This 4-in-1 multifunction electric vegetable cutter set includes slicing, cooking, peeling, and cleaning brush. It's made of high-quality ABS plus stainless steel material, which is light and durable. The stainless steel blade and serrated edge make the ingredients more delicate and ensure consistent cuts every time. And with one key cleaning, the whole machine can be rinsed with running water by stirring for just 5 seconds. Plus, the filling hole makes it easy to add long ingredients like pepper, cowpea, and yam without having to open and screw a cap. The ergonomic, comfortable grip handle is stable and doesn't let go, allowing flexibility to easily cut, slice, and cut shapes and sizes of fruits and vegetables in the shortest possible time. It's the perfect tool to make home cooking easier and faster. So why spend hours in the kitchen when you can have the ultimate kitchen companion at your fingertips? Introducing the Mini Handheld Portable Ironing Machine. This new mini ironing machine features a super large panel, making ironing easier and more efficient than ever before. With the Mini Handheld Portable Ironing Machine, you can hang iron your clothes with ease. The micro-porous pressure heating system and fine mist ironing feature give you a professional level ironing experience. This amazing product lets you do both dry and wet ironing on all types of fabric. The large titanium metal panel is upgraded, ensuring that the 150 degrees constant temperature will soften even the toughest wrinkles and leave your clothes looking crisp and smooth. And the best part, this product is portable and can be easily stored in any space, making it perfect for on-the-go ironing needs. Say goodbye to struggling with traditional irons and hello to the Mini Handheld Portable Ironing Machine. Do you hate waiting for your drink to cool down in the fridge? Waiting for hours on end to finally quench your thirst can be frustrating. Introducing the Mini Quick Electric Instant Cooling Cup Ice Making. With its fast cooling technology, this cup can cool your warm beverage by 5 degrees Celsius in just a few minutes. That's 4 times faster than your regular refrigerator. And with just a push of a button, you can quickly reduce the temperature by 20 degrees Celsius. It's easy to use. Simply pour your drink into the cup or put your bottled drink directly inside. Its built-in silent machine ensures that there's no noise, making it perfect for indoor use. The ergonomic grip makes it easy to hold, and it has a 420 milliliters capacity, making it suitable for most beverage bottles or cans. Enjoy fresh cocktails, frozen drinks, ice cream, juice, and more anytime, anywhere. Get your Mini Quick Electric Cooling Cup now and enjoy your favorite drinks at the perfect temperature. This device combines old and new technology for an amazing massage experience. The cupping massager has vibrating sticks and red light therapy, which can massage you better and more comfortably. It's also easy to carry and clean. You can choose from 3 different pressure modes and 3 vibration modes for a personalized massage. It's easy to use too. The red light therapy improves blood circulation, relieves pain and fatigue, and gives you a relaxing feeling. The smart vibrator keeps your skin safe during massage and prevents too much pressure. The device is small and portable with a battery that lasts a long time. You can use it anywhere and anytime by charging it with a USB cable. It makes a great gift for someone special. Get one today and enjoy a wonderful massage experience. Meet the Nightlight LED Moon Lamp, the perfect companion for your peaceful nights. The Moon Lamp's LED light source has a high color rendering index, providing you with an accurate representation of colors in your room. Its high luminous efficiency ensures maximum brightness while consuming minimal energy. Its simple yet beautiful round appearance is designed to blend in seamlessly with any decor style. The lamp's white color represents purity and adds a touch of elegance to any room. The warm light emitted by the lamp creates a comfortable environment that never hurts your eyes. Say goodbye to harsh, bright lights that disrupt your sleep cycle. The lamp's texture is perfect thanks to the high-quality silicone material used to craft it. The LED lamp beads are also of premium quality, ensuring high luminous efficiency with no flashing. This helps protect your eyes from harmful radiation. Introducing the rechargeable mixers Fresh Fruit Juicers, the ultimate solution for fresh juice anytime, anywhere. This powerful juicer is truly portable, allowing you to enjoy your favorite smoothies and juice wherever life takes you. With its rechargeable design, you can take it with you to work, school, or even on vacation. Using it is simple. Just add your favorite ingredients, turn it on, and let this powerful juicer do all the work for you. In no time, you'll have a delicious and nutritious drink that's perfect for any time of day. And when it comes time to clean up, you'll love how easy it is to use the self-cleaning feature. Simply rinse with water and you're done. It's that easy. So why wait? Order your rechargeable mixers Fresh Fruit Juicer today and start enjoying delicious, nutritious juice anytime, anywhere. Do you need more space to store your toiletries and accessories? Then you need the aluminum corner shelf. This wall-mounted storage rack is perfect for maximizing your bathroom space. The layer spacing can be adjusted to fit your needs. The shelf's drain and hollow-out design make it waterproof and moisture-proof, ensuring that your items are always safe and dry. And with strong non-marking stickers, there's no need for drilling or complicated installation. The aluminum corner shelf is suitable for a variety of walls, making it easy to install in any bathroom. Installation is quick and easy. Simply peel off the sticker backing and press the shelf onto your desired location. No screws, no mess, just instant storage. And with its sleek and durable aluminum construction, the aluminum corner shelf will not only look great in your bathroom, but it will last for years to come. Say goodbye to a cluttered bathroom cower and hello to the aluminum corner shelf for bathroom. There's nothing quite like spending time in the great outdoors, but no outdoor adventure is complete without a delicious meal cooked over an open fire. That's where the rolling barbecue basket comes in. The rolling barbecue basket is the perfect accessory for all your outdoor cooking needs. One of its standout features is its round edge design. With no sharp edges, you can be sure that it won't hurt your hand while handling it. And when it comes to cooking, the rolling barbecue basket gives you the freedom to cook multiple kinds of food at once. It requires no assembly and fits right on or in the bowl of your fire pit. And when the fun is done, cleaning up couldn't be easier. So why not add it to your outdoor cooking arsenal and make your next camping trip or backyard barbecue even more memorable? Summer is here, and it's time to fire up your grills and get cooking. But have you ever struggled with oiling your food? Whether it's too much oil or uneven distribution, it can be frustrating and messy. Introducing the Barbecue Cooking Oil Sprayer. This amazing product allows you to spray an even mist of oil on all sides of your food, making cooking easier and more convenient than ever before. The transparent body of the bottle also lets you see how much oil is left, so you never run out mid-cooking. The Barbecue Cooking Oil Sprayer is small and lightweight, taking up minimal space in your kitchen. It's made of strong and tough materials, ensuring that it won't easily break or crack. Not just for barbecue, this oil dispenser is perfect for cooking, roasting, baking, and more. Its versatility makes it a must-have in any kitchen. Say goodbye to messy and uneven oiling, and hello to the convenience of the Barbecue Cooking Oil Sprayer. Babies have tiny little nails that can grow quickly and become sharp. This can be dangerous for them as they may accidentally scratch themselves while sleeping or playing. You might be wondering how you can keep their nails trimmed without hurting them. Introducing the Dreamy Baby Nail Trimmer, the perfect solution for parents worried about their baby's nail care. With the Dreamy Baby Nail Trimmer, you can trim your baby's nails safely and easily, right from the comfort of your home. This product is a battery-powered nail file kit that comes with 6 different sanding buffing pads, 3 for children and 3 for adults. It helps sand, clip, and polish fingernails and toenails in seconds using safe, effective sandpaper that's soft on cuticles and nail beds. Using the Dreamy Baby Nail Trimmer is simple. Attach your chosen nail file, turn it on, and use the LED front light to softly grind away excess nail length. And thanks to the Whisper Quiet motor, you never have to worry about loud noises waking sleeping babies. Get your Dreamy Baby Nail Trimmer today and ensure your baby's safety while keeping their little fingers and toes looking neat and tidy. Are you tired of struggling to cut and scoop your favorite fruits? Introducing the 4-in-1 Cutter Scoop, the perfect solution for all your fruit cutting needs. This multifunctional fruit scoop set includes melon-digging balls, a shaped fruit cutting knife, a 2-dimensional scoop for slicing fruit and separating fruit pulp. It's the necessary kitchen tool for any fruit lover. The fruit knife has a unique design that allows these 4 separate tools to stack together as one set, making it easy to store and keep your kitchen tidy. You'll never have to worry about losing any of them again. This cutter can be applied to make balls of various fruits, such as watermelon, melon, pitaya, kiwi, and more. You can use the fruit carving tools to create the fruit salad you love and enjoy the fun it will bring. So why struggle with cutting and scooping your favorite fruits when the 4-in-1 melon cutter scoop makes it effortless? Cooking can be a hassle, especially when you have to stand over the stove and stir frequently. But what if we told you there's a way to make cooking effortless? Introducing Automatic Stir Kitchen Tools, the perfect solution for anyone who wants to save time and energy in the kitchen. This automatic pan stir is incredibly easy to use. Simply click on the top button and the blender will automatically stir custards, sauces, and soups into the pan. The stir rotates back and forth to mimic natural stirring action, ensuring that all the ingredients are turned and mixed in the pan. This automatic pan stir has a cordless battery operation, so you can use it anywhere in the kitchen without worrying about tangled cords. If you want to simplify your cooking and make the most of your time, then the Automatic Stir Kitchen Tools is a must-have for you. Are you tired of dealing with the mess caused by water splashes and coffee spills? Introducing the Kitchen Cower Super-Absorbent Mat. This amazing product is designed to absorb water splashes and coffee spills, keeping your countertops clean and tidy. The kitchen countertop dish drying mat is not only durable and soft but also foldable for easy storage. It's the perfect size to fit any kitchen countertop and can be easily cleaned when needed. Plus, it's highly absorbent, making it perfect for draining water from washable tableware, preventing mildew and bacteria buildup while ensuring that everything stays clean and hygienic. But this mat isn't just limited to kitchens. You can also use it in table and bathrooms as a coffee pad or a drying pad for your cups and tableware. Say goodbye to messy countertops and hello to the kitchen cower's super-absorbent mat. Do you sometimes feel like your kitchen sink is just too cluttered? Are you tired of constantly moving your kitchen tools around just to make some space? Introducing the adjustable telescopic 2-in-1 sink storage rack for your home. This innovative sink holder provides a simple and effective solution for organizing your kitchen sink. With its adjustable length design, this sink holder is suitable for most sinks, ranging from 24 centimeters to 40 centimeters in length. No drilling required for mark-free installation. Made from high-quality polypropylene material, our sink holder is thicker and rust-free, ensuring it lasts for a long time. It's so easy to use and really makes a difference. Get your adjustable telescopic 2-in-1 sink for your home today and enjoy a clutter-free kitchen sink. Do you love noodle but find it hard to make it at home? Well, introducing the small handheld noodle maker. This small but powerful machine simplifies the work of making noodle at home, making it easier than ever before. This noodle maker comes with 3 different molds for making fine noodles, thick noodles, and wide noodles. So you can easily make a variety of noodles as per your choice. Simply add 200 grams of kneaded dough into the machine, select the desired mold, and press the button. The machine will automatically make fresh, homemade noodles for you. And with its rechargeable battery, this noodle maker can be used up to 50 times when fully charged. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the small handheld noodle maker and make fresh, homemade noodle in minutes. Introducing the Pet Dual Feeding Bowl, the ultimate solution for pet owners who want to provide their pets with both delicious food and clean water in one convenient design. With its double bowl design, the Pet Dual Feeding Bowl provides your pet with easy access to both water and food without having to switch between bowls. And with its 0 to 15 degrees double angle rotation adjustable feature, you can customize the feeding angle to match your pet's unique needs, making mealtime more comfortable and enjoyable for your pets. The Dual Feeding Bowl automatically refills the water bowl, ensuring your pet always has fresh, clean water to drink. And with its personalized separation design, the Pet Dual Feeding Bowl is incredibly easy to clean and maintain. So if you're looking for a hassle-free way to make mealtime more enjoyable for your pet, try the Pet Dual Feeding Bowl today. Do you want to keep your hands clean without touching any surface? Introducing the Foam Soap Dispenser Automatic Touchless Hand Sanitizer. This device comes packed with 6 functions, including contact-free operation, infrared sensor, one-touch control, and USB charging. The foam soap dispenser features an infrared sensor that detects your hand and dispenses sanitizer in just 0.25 seconds. It's quick, efficient, and keeps your hands clean and healthy. The product has a long battery life, meaning it will last for a while before you need to recharge it. The one-touch control feature ensures easy operation, making it user-friendly. With its USB charging capability, you can charge it anywhere, anytime, making it perfect for home use or travel. Keep your hands clean, safe, and healthy with the Foam Soap Dispenser Automatic Touchless Hand Sanitizer. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.